turning on Brittany Street and Magnus. I don't have a 28, I think.
Dispatch, he just turned on Brittany Street, Magnus.
Tried to come back out on 69. 28, Arkansas, Adam David Boyd, 64 X-ray, ADB 64X, 4 east on 69.
Not doing another list down the bottom to return. We just came out on 69. The 28th Adam David Boyd, 64 X-ray, ADB 64X.
He just brake checked me. We wrecked here at Double B's Newark. Get out of the fucking car! Show me your goddamn hands! Straight to the ground! Straight to the fucking ground! Straight out! On your face! On your fucking face! Everybody else, hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Don't fucking move! Don't move! Don't do anything stupid that we haven't already done, okay? Y'all just quit reaching. Put your hands on the ceiling right now. Everybody, hands on the fucking roof. Leave them out. You roll over on your belly. Belly. Put your hands behind your back. Hands on the roof. I just need some help. I got one detained, still got 3 in the car. Yeah, it's possible. I don't know who any of them are yet. What? And just... Yeah, that matches. Hey, y'all just keep your hands up. Just be cool with me. Y'all aren't in trouble at this point. Just he is.
Nah, just direct everybody to the phone and stop one at a time since I get there.
Hey man, hop up to your knees. Or roll over and then get on, then put your knees to your belly and get up if you can. Just have a seat on my front bumper right here. No, you're fine right now. What's your name? Yeah. Anything on you, man? See. Hey, front seat passenger. Exit, hands up. Front seat passenger, get out of the car with your hands up.